Upstate South Carolina, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Spartanburg, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, Texas. Locations impacted include Spartanburg, Gaffney, Boiling Springs, South Carolina, Pacolet, Cowpens, Roebuck, Pacolet Mills, USC Upstate, Crawford State Park, and Cedar Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an